Good morning, students. Today you see the synthetic fibers and then plastic for first lesson for 8th students. So already we see the introduction. Now you see the polymers. Polymers means the synthetic fiber and plastic are made up of molecules. So that is called for the polymers. Polymers means huge molecules. Say they usually contains a long chain. So they made up of thousands of similar small molecules called for monomers. The polymers is derived from two Greek words. That means the poly means many and mer means unit. So many of the molecules to connect a long chain, that is called for the polymers. The polymers structures is looking like beads of necklace, which is compared to the beads of necklace. So the process by which the monomers are linked together to form polymers is called polymerization. So this polymerizations are not only for the linear, that is for the cross sections is also together. So the polymers are light, strong, long lasting, easy to form into the shape and cheap. So the polymers is used to making many of the useful things. Okay, next you see that you looking like next you look that is for the beads of necklace. So in this next one structure, that is for the first one monomers, they connected into the another one monomers. So this is connected for a linear means a straight line portions. So that is called for the linear structures. Second one, so this is and the first one monomers connected to the second one monomers, but this is crossly connected to the another one monomers. So this structures is looking like a cross linked structures. So next one for a synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers are naturally obtained, that is for the natural fibers. Example first, the common natural fibers used for making cloth, wool, cotton and silk. This is for the natural fibers. The natural fibers is obtained from plants and animals, but some fibers are made up of humans, so that fibers are called for the synthetic fibers. So the synthetic fibers is obtained from petroleum. So the synthetic fibers to produce to the useful things, that is for the rayon, nylon, polyester and then as I clear others some synthetic fiber. Now we see the rayon. Rayon means a natural fiber and rayon is a silk is compared to the silk but already we get the natural silk cotton silk cloth we are used for the natural silk cloth. So this is for the very expensive and some acceptors at making a synthetic fiber with the small similar structures succeeded towards the end of the 19th century when scientists were made up of rayon. Rayon is also the artificial silk that is the cheaper than silk. So many of the peoples are used for the rayon cloth or many useful things. First you see the how is made up of a rayon. So the rayon is made up of a wood pulp. The wood pulp is dissolved in the alkaline solution. The wood pulp is dissolved in a alkaline solutions. After they form a thick liquid process. After they form a thick liquid. So the thick liquid is passed through a tiny holes to make a fibers. So this fiber are hardened. These fibers are hardened but and then passing through the sulfuric acid. So the fibers are thus spun into the yarn and the woven into a cloth. So this cloth is called for a rayon cloth. Listen to students, repeat again one time. The wood pulp first you take the wood pulp and dissolve in a alkaline solutions, and then they form a thick liquid, and after you pass it through a teeny holes into the to make a fibers. This fibers is very hard, and then they put into the sulfuric acid. After the fibers and then sulfuric acid they combine to form some fibers. This fiber is spun into the yarn. Spun பஞ்சிலேருந்து yarn நூல் வர மாதிரி நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் த அண்ட் தென் ஓவன் இன்டு த கிளாத். ஓவனுக்குள்ளே வச்சோன்னா நம்மளுக்கு என்னவாக இருக்குன்னா திஸ் ஃபார் த கிளாத் மேக்கிங். ஸோ திஸ் கிளாத் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃபார் த rayon. The rayon is called the regenerated fiber because the original raw material cellulose is broken down and then to form a reform. This makes it stronger and easier to dye in the various of classes. Another useful property of the rayon is that they absorb the sweating. Rayon cloth are therefore the comfortable to wear the summer season only. So the rayon is the very stronger, easier to dye and variety of colors. Another useful, the rayon absorbs the sweating. So the rayon cloths are therefore comfortable to wear the summer season only. So next you see the rayon uses of rayon. It is used to make a apparel structure of a suit, tie, blouse, jacket, stockings, and then slacks, and then sportswear. So the rayon is used to make a shorts, ties, blouse, jackets, stockers, slackers, and then sportswear. And another one useful for this human furnitures, home furniture such as bed spreads, bed sheet, blankets, curtains, tablecloth, upholstery, carpets. Examples are made from a rayon fiber as a silky luxury. Luxury means a clarity, brightness, that is called for the luxury. Next you see a nylon. Nylon is made up of full is made up of some chemicals. It is derived from the name of the city New York and London. So in the first letters N, this first letters Y, and the London first one letters LON. So the three letters to join for a and then construction to name for a nylon. Nylon is a very strong, elastic, and in fact the nylon is thread stronger than a steel wire. ஸோ நைலான் வந்து ஸ்டீல் ஒயரை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ரொம்பவே ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கும். இட் இஸ் லைட், ரொம்ப லைட்டாக இருக்கும். அண்ட் தென் விரிக்லி ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் நாட் பிரேக்கபிள். இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வியர் த ரெசிஸ்டன்ட். தட் இஸ் ஒய் த nylon carbons last for a useful things. Okay, so next one, uses of nylon. The nylon such as sarees are made from a nylon saree since it's wear the resistance garments made from a last of long time. Being very strong, nylon fiber is used to make a rope. The rope used during the rock climbing. Tent, fishing nets are made up of, and some parachutes is also made up of a nylon. Next you see that another one to users, it is a good elastic and therefore a useful making a shock and stockings. Nylon is also used to the toothbrush, comb, ship fatness, and then machine spot. So nylon is also to make toothbrush, comb, ship fatness, and then machine parts. Next you see the polyester. The polyester is manufacturing from a petroleum. Polyester, poly is divided into the poly plus ester is made up of a repeating units of chemical is called for the ester. It has a property similar to those of a nylon. This is similar to those of a nylon. It is very strong, crush resistance, light, elastic mode, and absorbs very little of water only. It is often mixed into the natural fiber to make a cloth. So the polyester is manufacturing from a petroleum is made up of a repeating units of a chemical is called for a ester. It is a properties similar to is compared to the layer. It is very strong, crush resistance, light, and then elastic, and then absorbs very little of water only. It is often mixed with the natural fiber to make a cloth. With the cotton it makes a polycot, and with the wool is form a polywool. The cloth made up of these mixed fibers are comfortable to wear, and those made up of a pure polyester, trilene, terrain, and then tacrine are the different type of polyester fibers. So next one, uses of polyester. The use of polymers is many desirable qualities or many useful things. The polyesters used to make a cloth such as the trouser, shirts, shoot, and home furniture such as the bedsheet, curtains, and then sofa covers. It is used to either itself or a blunted. Its water resistance property makes it idle of the carbons. The jackets that are used to make the wet or damp environments. It is used to make the jackets and squatted garments. PET is a form of polyester used to make the bottle, films, utensils, and then some wires or exits. That is for the Rayon product. That is for the nylon product. So the liner stockers and then toothbrush. This is made up of a nylon. And then second one pictures is the polyester bag, polyester pant, and then polyester clothes. So this is for the polyester clothes. So listen students, that is you understand. So next class you see the next one continuations. Thank you.